something or someone would have told you, when you first started to break that 100K mark per year?
Yeah, it's a great question. I did my first year, so
It's hard for me too. I did too.
God, honestly, I don't want to be too repetitive, but it's just literally be the obvious choice, show up every day, and outwork the competition. Just outwork people. Like, this isn't hard work beats talent every single time. So the people out there that don't have families, aren't running a business, they're just single agents that are just getting in the industry, and they're like, oh, poor me, I don't have any past business, I don't know what to do. You have so much time.
The time is, if I could get back time, if I could
God.
get no kids and no wife, my God, like,
and like, I love my kids and my wife.
I love my kids, my wife, I love them, but
When
if
it
I
comes down to how much money can you make, the 20-something-year-old that has no other obligations, they live at home,
tons of energy. Oh yeah, their parents still.
They
don't need to worry, no bills. They can just stack cash.
Like all I'd say is, like, you guys don't know how big of a cheat code you have to be younger, no obligation, and can just literally work from sun up to sundown and then do it all over again. And the best part is, when you're out having fun with people is when you're making tons of money. And like, so just literally, like, go join a gym, go to the bar, go have fun. And
those people are all on social. So it's like, you're already
right. Like, just don't apologize for it. Just go and have fun. There's lots of things you can do that don't cost a lot of money either. And so I just think, be the obvious choice, stop messing around, and just listen to, you got to have a mentor. If you don't have a mentor, get somebody that you can take advice from, and literally text them every day and be like, what should I do today? Mm-hmm. And then just literally whatever they say, do it. Just don't make excuses. And sooner or later, you will have so much damn money. You won't have to worry about where the next deal's coming from, because they're going to just come to you from all of the efforts you've put in. But you got to grind, and you got to take advantage of all that time up front, because that is your trump card right now. The young, hungry, no other clients. Like, literally, I remember saying to people, like, you are my top priority. You are the most important thing to me, is this deal. And I promise you it's going to go perfect. Like, for you to be able to say that, you're beating me and Adam every time.
Yeah.
We can't compete with that, because I can't say that.
Now my questions are, well, am I going to talk to you, or am I going to talk to your two assistants? Like, right. That's the question I get now. Like, am I working with you, or am I working with your two assistants, or am I working with your showing partner, or who am I working with? So now it's like, we have to define exactly.
So there's no better cheat code than young, single, tons of energy, and just outwork everybody. Like, literally, so don't make excuses. You guys that are newer agents, you have every opportunity in the world to go and be successful. You just got to follow the right people. So